Hey, it's Dr. Ko here from Reset Ketamine, and I was thinking about this question: can a person heal psychologically? So when I think about healing, as an example, I think about, let's say, a paper cut on your finger. Have you ever had one of those? They're really small, but they're incredibly painful. When I get a paper cut, my body knows exactly what to do. And I don't have to do a thing. It's going to start healing up on its own as the days pass. Of course, I might have to give it a little bit of support, maybe throw a little bit of antibiotic ointment and a bandage and clean it up really well. But it will eventually heal. Similarly, if we get a broken bone, let's say a broken forearm, well, it's going to take time, but it will also heal. And of course, you might have to go to the doctor to get a cast or a splint placed, get some x-rays, get some pain medication, but it will eventually heal. There may be some scar tissue or there may be some bony callus around that broken area, but it does heal. Now, applying that same concept of biological healing in our body, I also assert that the same thing can happen psychologically. Now, if someone is hurt psychologically, whether that's through abuse, whether that's through depression or anxiety or PTSD, I personally believe that we too can heal. I think each one of us has an innate healing ability, and that's manifested when we see a cut or a broken bone. And I believe that same concept applies to our mind as well. Now, one of the things that ketamine can do is support that healing. And that's one of the reasons why we've opened up here to assist our patients in that journey. Because, of course, it's hard to do sometimes on ourselves, and having a therapist, ketamine therapy, seeing your psychiatrist, etc. Like all of that is beneficial to supporting the healing process. To bottom line it for you, can a person heal psychologically? Yes, I believe they can. And it's especially important when we get that extra support from these external sources to allow the healing within each of us to fully heal and process whatever may have happened. Take care. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.